welcome to the channel. So today you guys are gonna come with me cleaning out the makeup, taking out expired makeup that I have since last year. So also we're gonna clean up brushes. I'm going to organize where I have like a little card tray which has 3 floors. I think I showed it to you guys when I was cleaning out at the beginning of the year. I don't remember, but I feel like there's eyeshadow palettes already feel like they're kind of old. So we're gonna start removing that also because makeup videos are gonna come again on that background that we always have in our corner. So I want to have everything ready and then just basically clean out everything, just get ready a fresh week. And yeah, so let's get started to this video. Again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So here already organized, I forgot to film that, but here I have the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. I have Merit products, One Size, e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, blushes, more foundations, and then I organize it by order, some other blushes, primers, concealer, like stuff that I feel like I really can still use them. Also, I have new makeup products from e.l.f. I posted that video for you guys if you guys want to check that out. My favorite lip liner from Beauty Creations and Rosie McMichael. I put it here because I always use it, so there's no point of me putting it in my other box where I have other lipsticks, concealers. So this is what it's gonna go to the garbage. The Morphe, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Love this one from e.l.f. And here also the L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream Concealer. Loved it at the time. This one, the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow, I think it is. They're really old. This one from Merit. I really love these products. It's just not my shade. And also the LA Girl Orange Concealer, very old. I don't want to tell you guys how old it is. The Maybelline Fit Me, it expires. The ColourPop foundation also expired, this one too. Love these products. The ColourPop foundation, this one also expired, really loved it. And here's my box of all my lipsticks, lip liners. For me it is better to look at it like this. I need to do like a reel or a video where we can try and play with all these new lip glosses that I have, lipsticks. But right now for summer I feel like we like to play more with glosses. So here I have my dirty brushes and it is time to clean them out. They're so dirty. I need to do this once a week or maybe twice a week, because as you guys can see I don't have that many brushes and it's not really good for our skin to have this kind of dirty brushes on our skin. But yeah, so here I'm cleaning them out. Okay, so after finished and cleaning the brushes, I go with the makeup. I bought the new Duo Glue. Love this one. I needed to repurchase this mermaid palette. It was really cute, but I feel like I have other eyeshadows that have the same eyeshadow colors, so I think this is gonna go away. It's been a while. Also, this one I was gonna go and throw it out, but I decided finally to keep it because I think it's very pretty and I love this highlighter. It's like a pink highlighter. It's not my favorite highlighter color that I like to use, but I can still use it and play with it. This Too Faced palette, I really loved it, but it's so old. Of course, I haven't played with it in years, but I don't know. I wanted to keep it, but it's time to go. This one from ColourPop and Limoncello, I had so much fun. Love this palette. It's one of my favorites, but I was gonna throw it away, but I decided, you know what, let's still keep it for a while. Also, the Morphe and Sour Patch Kids palette also was about to throw it out because, as you guys can see, it's very colorful, but I decided to keep it. This one from BH Cosmetics, their travel series, that I wish they could continue this because I had so much fun and their eyeshadow pigmentations are very good. I have the one from Celin and I had so much fun doing these videos. I don't know if they're gonna keep doing this. Hopefully BH Cosmetics keep doing it because their eyeshadows are really good. Now this one I was also gonna throw it out, but I decided to keep it. This one is from Beauty Creations, also the palette from Ren Beauty. Of course, I can still play with them. This one is more colorful. This one is from Nude. That's from the first chapter, second chapter. Oh my god, this palette from Morphe, it is so old. I have to throw it out. I don't know if you guys remember when Morphe used to launch these palettes. This one from Nikki Tutorials, also gonna keep it. Need to go back and play with the palette. Oh my god, my favorite is Harry Potter. I'm a Harry Potter fan. Of course, it's recent. I have to keep it and I don't think I'm gonna throw it away just because I'm a Harry Potter fan. Then this one from Morphe, the Sweet Oasis, where Karen was the model. I'm still gonna keep it. Rosie McMichael Beauty Creation, also love it, keep it. This one, I'm gonna keep it, but yeah, it's too old. These ones I'm gonna keep it just because I love the theme of the travel size and from BH Cosmetics, sorry. This one from Paris, oh my god, I love this one. I have to play more with it, but I feel like these are more for winter. Of course, Tres Luce, my favorite top palettes. Of course, gonna keep them. I have to play with these. Ooh, I should play with that one for right now for summer. This one is from ColourPop in PTB 21, something like that. I don't remember right now. Okay, this one, of course, Kylie. It has to go out. It's been a while. This one from ColourPop and Rudolph, also going to keep it because I feel like it's kind of brand new. So we can play that during the fall. Also this one from Morphe and Diane. I have those colors, but I don't want to throw them out because I can have them as a background when I want more and more pigmentation. So this one from NYX and Avatar. I haven't seen the second one, so yeah, I feel like I can still play with it and I love it. I love Avatar, one of my favorite movies. This one I have to keep playing with it. Barbie, oh my god, we did a reel with it and I had so much fun. I want to do a second one because the Barbie movie is coming and I'm a Barbie fan. When I was a little girl, Barbie everywhere, pink everywhere. So yeah, I'm a Barbie fan and it's still inside me. This one is such a beautiful palette. I think we did a reel with it. I feel like it's new and I can still play with it. Really love this one from Makeup Revolution. This one I have to place the mirrors because you guys know from Tres Luce Beauty I always use their mirror. They're very handy and they're like everywhere in my house. This one, so obviously as you guys can see, I'm going to put the palettes here organizing. The ones that is like so I'm putting on the right side. This one, the face palette from Physician Formula, I really love it. This one I'm just gonna put it as a side because of course I need to play more with this. They're new. This one also I really love it, the mini ones from Tres Luce. I have a second one, So I have to give it to somebody because I feel like it's a waste. I don't know to who. This one from, I have to play with those mascaras. I completely forgot that I have new mascaras. And this one from Boxem, also Physician Formula. I have to play with it. I'm a mascara fan and I'm really picky with mascaras. Another one from Tres Luces. Sorry, I'm talking too fast, but this one from Glamlight and Kellogg's, also love it. Really, really pigmented. Now here on the top of my 3-layer shelf, I have a lot of like diamonds. Here are like stuff that my husband just threw out. Like, I don't know if he thinks it's his like nightstand or whatever. I have other makeups, paper, so I have to remove all of that and clean that out and basically, you know, organize it and remove the stuff that are not supposed to be there. As you guys can see, we have some batteries, need this Physician Formula. We really love the setting spray. Now here I'm kind of organizing all the diamonds and extra stuff that I like right now to use a lot during my makeup tutorials or also for reels. I have to fix these brushes because I don't know, I have to use them. I have other stuff over here, but I'm trying to organize it as the way I feel like it's more comfortable for me. But visually, it doesn't look organized, but mentally, for me, it is organized. I don't know if it happens to you with the shoes, clothes, or whatever drawer you have in your room. These are new brushes from the brand Gala. I love it. I buy this brand at Marshall's. If you see it, I really recommend you to try it. It's really, really good. So now this is the mirror that I'm using from Tres Luces. This is the boxes that I basically grab everywhere in the house or when I'm filming. So this is the face palette. I put it over here because basically it's what I use when I'm filming. My wipes, because like, you know, clean our hands, the makeup. So basically here I'm trying to organize the way I can feel like when I'm filming. I can organize. This one, like I said, I'm loving it. I bought these at Walgreens. They were on sale, so I bought like 2 or 3, I don't remember. This mascara that I've been playing with it. I'm not a fan, but I'll keep trying it. But here I'm trying to organize. Oh my god, this mascara, I felt like it was so old. I have nothing on it. I was like, you know what, let's take out this mascara and see if it does work. And as you guys can see, oh my god, there's barely product on this mascara from Maybelline. So I was like, I have to throw it out and then of course try this one. But as for now, I already tried it and I don't know, I'm like in the soul, so I don't really like it. This one from Boxem, also I'm trying it out. I'm kind of liking it, but I have to, you know, play with it, especially on my upper lashes because I'm doing it for my lower lashes. So here I'm just like back and forth organizing, see and imagining me myself filming and see how it works for me when I'm filming. This is another beauty blender that I really like, this beauty sponge from Real Techniques. I wish I could have bought like three more sets because they're really, really good. I bought this when I went to Washington at Marshall's just for $6. So here are all my lipsticks and basically ready to go and prepare for you guys. Hey guys, so we finished with the whole getting organized the makeup for the week. My brushes were so dirty. YouTube, also for Instagram and Facebook, basically for the whole social media. But you know, like those reels on Instagram where it's like a transformation, do like a whoosh, and then it changed the whole, you know, scenario face. So that's what I've been doing on Instagram. I love those, they're so fun to do. So yeah, so I basically organized. There's some palettes that I kept, even though I was thinking to throw them out, but I don't know, I just, maybe I can still use them and they're not old. but some of them they were like super old, so I have to throw them out. Brushes are clean, makeup is organized, ready to go. And this was such a fun thing to do because I didn't thought to do this before, but it's like, you know, like a clean with me, to, you know, those videos like lifestyle, it's like to clean with me, to organize a house for the week. I don't know, you like those kinds of videos. So basically that was it, but with makeup. So it was brushes, makeup, organized, throw out some stuff, mascaras, because I don't know how I was putting that mascara from Maybelline and I had nothing. I'm so happy that I didn't purchase any mascara because I have two, so I'm gonna use those two, but I really want to buy the one from Maybelline, the new one. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. Don't forget that on this channel we have Tuesdays and Friday a video. So see you guys next time, and thank you so much for